In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid highways on Waze, an easy tutorial for both iPhone and Android users. If you're someone who prefers to take scenic routes or needs to avoid highways for any reason, Waze offers a straightforward way to set that up. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Waze app on your smartphone. It doesn't matter whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the steps will be the same. Once the app is open, take a look around for the hamburger icon. For those not familiar with the term, the hamburger icon is simply those three horizontal lines usually found in the top corners of apps, indicating the menu button. Give it a tap. Next, you'll need to navigate to the settings section. In most cases, you'll find settings either towards the middle or at the bottom of the menu that just opened. Tapping on it will take you to a screen with a variety of different options related to the app setup. Now scroll until you find the navigation settings. Tapping on navigation is where you'll be able to customize the routes that Waze will suggest for you. After tapping into navigation, look for the option labeled Avoid Highways or Avoid Freeways. You'll typically see a toggle switch next to this option. Go ahead and switch it on. What this does is instruct the Waze algorithm to find routes that keep you off major highways or freeways, focusing instead on alternative local roads. Once you have Avoid Highways toggled on, you can head back to the main screen. Feel free to enter your destination as you normally would. Waze will now automatically plan routes that avoid highways whenever it's possible and direct you through roads that may not always prioritize speed, but rather the route style that suits your preference. And just like that, you're all set up to enjoy a drive that skips the heavy traffic and tall bridges that highways can often include. Always remember that the availability of alternate routes depends on your specific geographic area, and in some cases, avoiding highways might slightly increase your travel time. Yet, for many drivers, this trade-off is well worth it for a more pleasant and stress-free journey. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to double-check your settings occasionally, especially if you update your app, just to ensure everything remains as you prefer. Enjoy your next commute or road trip with a little less asphalt and a lot more scenery. Thanks for tuning in.